Vinesh Fogart, who fought Indian wrestling's most powerful man, was eyeing an Olympic gold. Her extraordinary journey from the street protests of Delhi to the podium of Paris was just hours away from culminating in a historic medal. But overnight, she went from India's gold hope to be given intravenous drips for dehydration. The Indian contingent woke up to a rude jolt of Vinesh's disqualification hours before her gold medal bout. She was found overweight by 100 grams on day 2 of weigh-in and resultantly disqualified. From battling opposition from the villagers who considered wrestling to be a man's sport, losing her father at the age of 9, to taking on powerful federation officials, Vinesh has faced innumerable hardships in her way to realizing her dreams.
हमारी शेरनी है वो प्लेयर जो है कभी भी हार नहीं मानता.
Her real journey isn't about wrestling or winning medals. It's about grappling with the system that wanted to pin her down. So medal or no medal, Vinesh Fogart is a champion. This is her story. Months before her long-cherished dream of winning an Olympic medal turned into reality, Vinesh was furious but unwavering in the face of intimidation, police detention. On her way to Paris, the wrestler from Haryana was locked in a battle for her dignity against the very institution that is meant to nurture the sport, the Wrestling Federation of India. Less than a year ago, Vinesh wasn't training in a state-of-the-art facility. She was sleeping on Delhi pavements, protesting against the very people meant to support her. Her fight against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, BJP leader and then WFI chief, became her real-life dangal. The protest, which began in January 2023, saw over 30 Indian wrestlers demand dissolution of WFI and action against Brij Bhushan, who they said had been sexually harassing female players for years. Last heard, a Delhi court ordered framing of charges against Brij Bhushan.
वो ब्रज भूषण को इतने कांड कर रहा है, वो घर में जैसे सो रहा है बेड पे. इतनी इज्जत गिराओगे क्या? हम अपनी मान सम्मान की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं और वो फिर धक्के मार रहा है चेस्ट पे लड़कियों. कैसे वो पुलिस वाला धर्मेंद्र जो भी है, इसी दिन देखने के लिए मेडल लेके आना. तो मैं चाहूंगी कि देश का कोई खिलाड़ी मेडल ही ना लेके आए कभी.
Paris gave her a chance to prove that she could overcome not just physical opponents, but an entire system stacked against her. Vinesh Fogart had vowed to win an Olympic medal in Paris to prove a point. She had an extraordinary stint in Paris, reached the finals after 2 failed attempts over 12 years. She was guaranteed an Olympic medal. But Vinesh's Paris Olympic journey concluded on a clinic bed.
कहने के लिए कुछ बचा नहीं मेरे पास. जो आज थी सारे देश की थी, तो गोल्ड मेडल पर और नजदीक जाके वो तो डिस्क्वालीफाई कर दी. मैं तो माँ बाप मेरे को तो दुख है, लेकिन सारे हिंदुस्तान को इस चीज़ का बड़ा दुख है जिसने.
One day, she was the first Indian woman wrestler to reach the Olympics final. The next day, that record was erased.
इस तरह ओलंपिक से बाहर करना यार, दैट्स नॉट गुड. बहुत मुश्किल है, बहुत मुश्किल है. ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. जैसे बॉक्सिंग में हम वेट कम कर देते हैं बहुत सारे, तो 5 किलो लाइक एक रात में हम कम कर से 5 से 6 kg. इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील फॉर अस. कि वेट के ऊपर उसको डिस्क्वालीफाई करना, चलो ठीक है भाई, फाइनल नहीं होगा तो सिल्वर तो मिलना चाहिए लड़की को.
The shattered 29-year-old had to be taken to a polyclinic inside the Games Village due to severe dehydration earlier in the day. Cutting weight is a painful process that wrestlers have to endure if their natural body weight is higher than the division in which they compete. Vinesh's natural body weight is about 56 to 57 kgs, and it takes massive effort for her to get down to 50 kg. Athletes competing in contact sports go without food and even water 2 days before weigh-in.
We had tried all possible drastic measures throughout the night, including cutting off her hair, shortening her clothes, and despite all of this, we could not make that 50 kg weight category.
Vinesh has nearly 15 medals in international championships. She navigated an injury-plagued journey marked by hip tendonitis and a knee surgery after she tore her anterior cruciate ligament at the Olympic quarterfinal in 2016. With big battles on and off the mat, Olympics 2024 was meant to be her redemption. The climax was cruel, but Vinesh Fogart's journey is worth its weight in gold.